Brand new construction, walkable to the beach, and with a membership to Grande Dunes Ocean Club. Wow. Hi, I'm Lane Moradu, realtor in the Myrtle Beach area of South Carolina, bringing you information about homes and lifestyle here. Well, I had the privilege of touring a brand new home community. The name of this community is Grande Dunes Promenade, and it is being built by a fine home builder in this area, Dream Finders Homes. Now, these are 3-story townhomes with attached garages. There are only 85 lots. So once the 85 are built and sold, that's all there is. And this community is so beautifully located. It's nestled in between Grande Dunes Ocean Club and then the other surrounding Grande Dunes communities. Something so special about Grande Dunes Promenade, similar to other Grande Dunes communities, is it comes with a membership to Grande Dunes Ocean Club, which is a luxury icon in this area. If you know anything about the Myrtle Beach area, the building is just stunning. The amenities are matchless, and you have access right there to a beautiful white, wide, sandy stretch of beach. Now, these townhomes, they have some customizable features. On any one of them, on any of the plans, you can add an elevator. You can add a bedroom and full bathroom on the first floor. You could also add a study on the second floor. Now, depending on whether or not you choose to have an elevator, that will affect the placement of the kitchen on the second floor. These townhomes, there are 3 different floor plans, and they range in size from about 2,200 square feet to about 2,500 square feet. So just a very livable size. It's all about the lifestyle. I mean, can you imagine being just a walk or a golf cart ride to Ocean Club? So I mentioned that this community is walkable to the beach. It most certainly is. You can have a golf cart if you want. As I mentioned, every townhome has an attached garage. So you're just a walk or a golf cart ride to the beach, but not just the beach, to Grande Dunes Ocean Club. And can you imagine yourself like lounging by these beautiful pools, dining and socializing in these beautiful rooms, and having unique access to this gorgeous stretch of beach? I tell you, it makes one pause. It makes me pause. This is a very inviting development. And I just so happen to have a $2,500 credit for buyers on upgrades and finishes if you decide to go ahead and make a decision on purchasing one of these beautiful townhomes within the next few months. Well, I hope you found this interesting. If you would like to know more about selling or buying in the Myrtle Beach area, please just call, text, or email me. I would love to hear from you. Also, if there's more that you would like to learn about the Myrtle Beach area, whether it's about real estate or whether it's about lifestyle, please leave a comment below. I do read those comments and I use those for inspiration for future videos.